What is up, Sparks? My name is Chris. You can't see me, but hello. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I have a very special treat on the channel today. It is the 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor. Welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel, I have the 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor, and I have been dying to get this thing for, I think, since I knew that this thing was gonna come out. Today, I've got my brother helping me film. Say hi, Chase. Okay. And yeah, I'm just super excited to have it on the channel. Helping me out with the off-roading today are these 37-inch BF Goodrich tires. They are 37 inches and they help in part with the off-roading, as well as just the absolutely incredible wide body stance that it's got. It's absolutely insane. It's got a 13-inch ground clearance up front, and then in the back, I'm like running around the car. It's got a 14-inch ground clearance. You can see the locking differential case right there. It's got a really sophisticated suspension, and it's also got Fox coil over bypass shocks, and it's got a little bit more off-roading detail in comparison to the regular Bronco. Obviously, it's got these fenders that are oversized and go over the tires themselves, as well as this giant spare on the back. Now, the giant spare is probably great, but what I can tell you from experience driving this for the past week is that they could probably use to put a standard gas can on the back as well, because this thing guzzles gas. As you can see here, it also does have this side step-up panel that has this gritty kind of trail-ready feel to it. Of course, the doors are removable. And then if we get into the hood situation, we will find a twin-turbo 3.0 liter V6 engine that produces 440 pound-foot of torque that is then tied to a 4x4 system. It's got an automatic 4x4 system with different goat modes, and I will get into that once I get into the actual car itself. It gets 0 to 60 in about 6.3 seconds. You know, it's got the massive skid plate up front. It's got the rigid fog lamps, as well as the tow hooks that are absolutely insane looking. And then on the interior, we've got the different goat modes. You've got 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, and 4 auto. It's got trail crawl control and all that good stuff. It does also have different drive modes. So it's got off-road, Baja, rock crawl, and then slippery, as well as just a regular off-road. I think I'm redundant at this point. And then it does have a slew of different differentials, so you can lock each differential individually. But yeah, I am super stoked to take this off-road. Let's go. Don't I look so cute? Okay, so the stabilizer bar is disconnected up front, which means that I should be stable going around. Are you recording? Okay. I should be stable going around this bend. And so far, so stable. So right now the rear locking differential is locked. Stabilizer bar is still disconnected. And I'm in off-road mode. Headband, I swear to God. Oh. This ground clearance is everything. This thing just does it like it's nothing. Oh my God, I'm about to climb this. This thing is so ridiculous. It's just crazy how intense the suspension is. And I think my favorite thing about this is that all these automakers are coming out with these trail rated things, which they do the job, right? But my biggest complaint with all of the super, you know, trail rated ones is that they weren't tall enough. And this thing is literally so tall that it just eats these trails up. I just tried to fly my drone and I crashed it into a tree. So I was trying to make it easier on my brother, but I, per usual, f***ed it up. All right. Doing a little rock climb. I mean, it's just crazy how much this just eats trails. You know, the stability bar definitely stabilizes. I know that's like really redundant, but. So I have given up because I want to give my brother a break, and I'm gonna put the GoPro on the front for this little rock climbing excursion. And I've been pretty much sending it this whole time, but I also don't want the tires to pop while I'm here, even though I do have a spare. Don't want a Sequoia situation happening. But the stability bar disconnecting actually does allow it to be a lot more stable in the cabin, even though my brother is bobbing around like a head bob, a little bobble toy. But I am just confidently traversing every which way over these rocks. I'm not using crawl control. Well, I guess maybe I should turn it on. Crawl control is helpful, as I found out that if you don't want to pop a tire and you slowly need to go over rocks, maybe you should use crawl control on the first setting. Wow. Oh my God. This is crazy. Maybe I should have it on rock climb, yeah? Yeah. Should I put it on rock climb? Rock crawl.
That would probably.
For 4 low, shift to neutral. All right, now that I have it in rock crawl mode, it's changed the gauge cluster completely to this rock crawl mode with the pitch and roll reticle icons, as well as letting you know which direction the tires are turning, as well as at what height your stabilibar is at. And it's definitely turned off the stabilibar, as well as locked the rear differential. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and lock the front differential too, just in case. Yeah, so just like all the Toyotas that I've had, the crawl control works both in part going backwards and forwards. So that's pretty nifty. I love off-roading, but sometimes this really stresses me out. Okay guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'm going to do a regular road test for the Bronco Raptor, and I'm gonna do a beach test as well. So please be on the lookout for those. I'm not sponsored today, but I do have a new podcast out called Fun Girlie Car Time. Please check it out. It's on Spotify or wherever else you get your podcasts. That's a word. And yeah, I drop new episodes of those every Monday at 9 a.m. So please be on the lookout. Other than that, this thing, I would definitely rather this than anything else, really. This is an actual off-roading monster, as you saw in all of those clips. So very excited to do this. This is one of my favorite things to do. Anyways, I'm gonna go live on my TikTok and make some money. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey Sparks, thanks for watching today's video. Do you want more Sparkplug TV content? Then you can choose one of these 3 options. Right over here. The middle button is to subscribe to my channel, so please do that. Right over here. These 3. I can't see them in real life, but they're right here.